Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on signing a document with identity verification in BoldSign. The identity verification feature is an authentication method that enhances document security by requiring signers to verify their identities before accessing and signing designated documents. This feature ensures that only authorized individuals interact with sensitive information, maintaining confidentiality and integrity throughout the signing process. Additionally, this feature is supported by Stripe Identity that ensures strong security and easy setup. Users can now trust that their identity is protected by advanced technology from a reliable platform. BoldSign accepts specific types of documents. These include the passport, driver's license, and national ID cards. Let me explain how to verify documents using the identity verification. Consider a scenario where the tenant receives a signature request from the landlord, which includes identity verification authentication. The landlord requires the tenant to verify their identity before signing the lease agreement form. Let me show you how the tenant would verify his identity. The tenant has received a signature request email. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I am taken to the verification page. Here I carefully read the provided terms and proceed by clicking the Verify Your Identity button. A dialog box notifies that BoldSign works with Stripe to verify identities. The dialog box also contains instructions and terms and conditions. To view the accepted forms of identification, I click the Photo ID option on the first instruction. The accepted forms, including passport and driver's license, are listed here. After reading the instructions carefully, I click the Agree and Continue button. This action prompts the dialog box with the QR code to open. Here signers can scan the QR code using their devices and click the link provided to continue with the verification process. If you can't scan the QR code, you can choose other options for sending the link to complete the verification process by clicking Other Options. This action displays additional options for sharing the links, including sending by email, sending by SMS, copying the link, or continuing on this device. In this case, I am going to continue using this device. I am navigated to the verification page where I'll scan my driver's license as the identification document. I'll also be required to capture a live image from my device's self-camera. Selfie check uses advanced machine learning to ensure that the face picture matches the image on the driver's license. This option is only available when enabled by the sender in the identity verification settings. After scanning my driver's license and capturing my self-image, a dialog box notifies me that verification has been submitted. I proceed by clicking the Done button. Then I am notified that the verification process is still in progress, and I'll be redirected to the signing page once the verification process is successful. If verification fails, signers are notified and can retry within the limit. After the verification process is completed, I am notified that the provided identity has been successfully verified, and then automatically redirected to the signing page. The date field is automatically populated. I review the document and add my signature. Once done, I complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. That summarizes how to sign a document using the identity verification authentication method in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.